Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title of this video, we're gonna go over some recent PR packages that I've received and some key tips for receiving PR packages as a smaller, quote unquote, micro influencer. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and then linked in the description. If you guys didn't know, I also have a blog. Go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description, but I did a whole blog post of basically my top tips. I'm gonna go over some of them in the video too, but this has links. This is more details in the blog post. So be sure to check that out if you're looking for a more visual, I guess, not visual. What is it, written? So you have everything laid out for you. That has like all the stuff that I do. I even have my media kit that I made a couple years ago, I believe. When did I post this? I have a sample media kit that I've used before in there too if you want to check it out, and a bunch of other good information. Anyways, let's get into the unboxings. So I have some here, and to give you guys my first tip about receiving PR packages, obviously this is going to sound so annoying, but it's true, it's consistency. I started my posting, blog, social media journey in summer of 2017. So it's almost been 10 years, and in that time I have posted very consistently and I have posted not so consistently. And every time that I post consistently, right away, brands are reaching out, they wanna send me gifts, they wanna work with me, they wanna pay me. I grow in social media, all those things happen, but as soon as I start to fall off, stops. So it's so annoying, but it's true. The concept is very simple. Be consistent, post every day or as often as you can, but it's not necessarily easy. And I think a lot of people get those mixed up as something can be simple, but very hard to do. And I would say posting consistently is one of those things, but it is definitely rewarding. As you'll see, one of the most recent things that I've been gifted as PR is YSL's Black Opium Glitter. Look how beautiful this is. This one is super exciting. It smells so good. If you guys saw my most recent video about sweet girly perfumes, this fits right in there with all of those. You should go watch that video. I'll put up the card there. This fits in with those. Definitely one of my top. I believe the notes are vanilla marshmallow and coffee, a combination of a floral and a marshmallow type of scent. Very sweet, very floral, coffee, YSL. Their black opiums usually tend to run in more coffee, more sultry. I would say this is definitely one of the sweeter ones, and it's so freaking beautiful. So that is, oh, my nose. A lot of people ask me whether brands reach out to me, if I'm reaching out to brands to get PR, and honestly, I've reached out to maybe like 20 brands in my entire career of doing this type of thing, and I think one responded back, and then we never ended up working together. So I find you have a little bit more leverage if obviously they reach out to you, but I know that's not the case for everybody. I know some creators have tons of success reaching out. It just hasn't been the case for me. I haven't really put in the effort to do that, but I've also been very consistent with my content and the type of content that I post that it's never really been an issue for me. I get more than enough that I know what to do with just from being consistent and posting. One of the things, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the app FlipFit. It was very popular. Well, it was new and it grew very popular probably like 3-4 years ago, but they would send me a box of products. They started out with clothes and then they geared more toward beauty, skincare, those types of things, because it's just easier to do those than clothes. They would send me a box about 10 to 12 items, and basically what I would do is I would create a review video, post it on the app, and then people could vote on it or purchase the item from my video, and then I would get a commission from whatever they purchased. And I worked with them almost, I want to say 2 years, if not more, and I did that every single month. They would do a new one, and they would pay me to do the box just for the month of whatever it was, and then I would get the commission from whatever I made from my videos. So I would do 10 to 12 videos a month, and I did that for years. So I had hundreds of review videos that obviously I posted on the FlipFit app, but then posted that on my Instagram. And that helped me get such reach with tons of different beauty, skincare, makeup type brands. And after seeing me do so many reviews, they would reach out and they would want to send me stuff. So when I say consistency, I mean like that, not just I'm gonna post for the next 30 days, whatever, years of work, and then it just starts to flow. Even now, if I take a break, it slows down a little bit, but as soon as I pick back up, I get like a whole buttload of things. So that was the first thing that I got. I get a lot of perfume, which is just so fantastic to me because I love perfume. This one is Lancome's Idole Intense, and it's a collab with Olivia Rodrigo. Super cool. This one smells very chic and adult, and it's sweet. It has some florals, like some rose, but it has like the sandalwood, like heavier base notes, so it's not too sweet. I literally think of like a classy lady who has her life together when I think of this perfume. So good. And one of my favorite parts is how thin and chic the bottle is, like a little ASMR. Oh, I have to do it to the mic. This, so good. Addictive, kind of too. And again, it's almost like a domino effect is I get stuff in PR, I do videos about it, I do reviews, and then more brands see that. They see the reviews, then they want to send you stuff, and it's just like you keep going and going. I used to get PR. There was a point in time when I would get a lot and I would get overwhelmed and I wouldn't post as much. I would just post a story and whatnot. And that's fine. You're not obligated to post that much if you get PR, but it's such a good business tactic and just like career tactic for content to really do as much as you can with the free stuff, because that will eventually turn into paid collabs. The next thing that I got, I have a lot of YSL. YSL was on some rampage in this past month where they sent me a lot of stuff. The next thing is, it was for Valentine's Day, and I still need to post this. Like, I'm so far behind in posting because I don't want to overwhelm my followers, but I need to post this because this was for Valentine's Day. This was their Lash Clash Mascara, Couture Mini Clutch Eyeshadow Palette, and the Love Shine Lip Oil Stick. So it was a set of these three, and I'll just show you quickly. So this is the Love Shine Lip Oil Stick, and I just think if you guys have seen any of the other lippies, I got two more so I can show you, but this one just comes in super cute packaging. I love the pink and the blues, and this is what the color looks like. Just stunning. And I love YSL lip gloss sticks. They're so fantastic. Highly, highly, highly recommend those. So that came in for Valentine's, and then again with this super cute packaging with the blue and the pink and the ombre. I have a different eyeshadow from them that I got for New Year's, and they just do such a good job with like the imprinting of their logo. Look how freaking cute that is for Valentine's. And then they have the two like eyeshadow things, brushes. So cute. And then to finish off the look is their mascara. This is honestly freaking huge for mascara. And I love the branding, very cool. Let's look at the wand, huge. So very excited to try this out. Another good tip that I've recently started doing is just to kind of, not just to post like one type of video with the PR. So I would do with this, you could get a few different videos in with this. Obviously I'm doing YouTube, so that's one way to feature the products. Let's say for like Instagram or TikTok or something, one, you could do an unboxing, sitting and talking like I am right now. Two, you could do a more aesthetic version with the ASMR, close up, show all the details. Then you do another video talking through using the products, actually like applying it, doing a makeup look. Another video, not talking, doing your makeup, showing the finished results, more just aesthetic. Then get ready with me. Like you can make one PR gift, get you videos for like the next 5 days. I don't think you should post them in a row like that because I think people will get a little annoyed. But if you get PR, you can stretch it really far, and it kind of helps make your content last a little bit longer. It makes it look like you're working with brands more frequently than you may be. So if you're starting out and you are getting like a few packages here and there, and the brand will also really appreciate this. Don't just post like one video. Don't just post an Instagram story. Try and make it stretch as far as you can and really show the brand that you appreciated it. And a lot of times they will not only return the favor, but other brands will see that and they'll want to work with you as well. There's so many different like websites, and if you go look at my blog post, I linked a bunch of them, but there's so many different websites that you can sign up to. A lot of them will like kind of scout influencers or micro influencers and reach out to you for you to sign up to their website. That's how I found most of mine. But if you sign up, then you get on like these PR lists, like with YSL. YSL didn't directly reach out to me, but they did. They work with one of the brands or websites that finds different micro influencers for bigger brands. So I was found through that type of website. But obviously it's very rewarding because this is the 4th perfume in this PR unboxing. So YSL Libre, which one is this one? This one just said YSL Libre, so I'm guessing this is like the classic one. And then this one is Flowers and Flames. So let's see what the difference is. God. gosh, the packaging is just so beautiful. Oh, this is nice. What are the notes of this? Guys, I used the new powder and I think it looks really nice on my face, but I think it's itching me. Okay, does this what the notes are? It's not saying what the notes are. Let me look it up. Floral, warm floral. Okay, so the notes are lavender, orange blossom, and musk accord. Yeah, that's what next is. I was getting confused. The lavender and the orange blossom are really the main notes. The musk just kind of gives deeper base. This is very nice. This is like, honestly, this you could use day or night. It's very classy. Yeah, the good mix of the floral and the orange blossom is very nice. This is, I don't think I have anything very demure like this one. So let's see what that one is like compared to Flowers and Flames. I'm feeling like this one is gonna be more florally. Very similar packaging. I might get these confused. Okay, so this is Libre, and then this is Flowers. Okay, so this one a little bit darker in color, but not by much. Flowers and Flames. Yeah, this one's a little bit sweeter and a little more florally. Let's see what the main notes are. Okay. Fragrance family for this one is fresh. Scent type is fresh florals. So the key notes are palm tree flower accord, lily flower accord, orange blossom absolute. So it's not like sweet YSL glitter. Like it said, fresh. Think of palm trees, florals, orange blossom, that type of fresh sweet, like at the farmer's market or something. Daytime scent. Very nice. It's light. Like it said, it's fresh, it's light. This is be a good daytime when you're going to brunch with friends or going to the farmer's market. You want a light, fresh scent. Very exciting. I feel like a lot of my scents I have work for nighttime, so this will be good to have as like a really daytime scent. And then the last thing from YSL, they were really spoiling me this month. I have their YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze Gloss Sticks, one number 44 and one number 16. As I said, I'm obsessed with these. I have so many of them. There's like different kinds. I'll have to do a whole video of like all of the ones that I have. Okay, this is 44, a very pretty like rosy pink of color, almost mauve-y pink. And these go on so smooth, actually insane. It's very much like a lip gloss stick. A lipstick and a lip gloss combined. That's exactly how this is. Sometimes I feel like lipsticks can be a little dry, especially if it's matte. These aren't matte, obviously, because they're like a lip gloss. Okay, and this number 16, and this is a little bit more red, but it's like a moody red. And I love these types of red. I think they're more complementary to the skin tone, if you know what I mean, than like a bright or orangey red. Yep, so I got those. Still need to make some content for these. Fantastic, thank you YSL. Okay, next thing I got recently is from Redken. This one I haven't fully opened yet, but I'm pretty sure it's hair care because I've seen a few of my influencer friends also unbox this. Ooh, Sabrina Carpenter. The little pamphlet flyer. It is hair care. Strength repair for 9 times stronger hair. So there's a shampoo, conditioner, and then a night and day serum. Acidic bonding concentrate is what it's called. So this is what it looks like inside. I guess it's a collab with Sabrina Carpenter. And then I have the shampoo and conditioner, which is great because I've been needing to get more shampoo and conditioner. And I have low porosity hair, and I've been looking up different things on TikTok, and a lot of Redken products have been coming up that are good for low porosity hair. So this will be very exciting to try these. Let's see what it smells like. I can't really smell it because the YSL perfume is kind of in my nose right now. I mean, it almost smells a little fruity. This is good. And then the serum. The serum looks like, maybe I'll be able to smell this better. It smells clean. This will be super exciting to try. So thank you, Redken. Okay, the last one that I have is, oh, it's not the last one, hold on. Another really good tip I have for you guys for getting PR is to post about stuff that you actually like. So if you didn't know, I have been taking tennis lessons for about a year now. I ran track in college, like that was my thing. I was a runner. When I was little, I always wanted to do tennis, but the racket was too heavy, so I just nixed it. But I've been taking tennis lessons for the past year. I've been recording myself doing it. I've been sharing it on social media as something that I genuinely enjoy. And I got to be on a PR list of a very cool tennis like sportswear brand brand called Diadem, and this is the second racket they've ever sent me. I have a full wardrobe of tennis clothes from them as well. But what I'm saying is, if you post about things that you like, then you get PR about things that you like. This is like a $200 tennis racket that is just gifted to me to share with you all my joy and passion of tennis. So another huge tip. If you post about things you like, you'll get PR that you like. Super excited about this racket. It's a new one. I have to look up the name of this racket. I'll have like everything linked if you guys are interested in any of these things, but I love Diadem. They do very high quality stuff. Carbon fiber, something like that type of racket. I've tested it out. It's so much better than like the cheap one that I got for maybe like 50 bucks off of Amazon. You can just tell the difference. And for me, that's so exciting because not only as I'm getting better at tennis, I want to have better equipment. So the more I post about tennis, the better I get at it, the better stuff I will get sent. So now this is not only gonna up my game, but it's also very exciting to get a gift. And I do have to post a video about this one, so it's not technically PR, it's like a gifted collab, but I do sometimes get PR from them. Okay, and the last thing, this is very exciting. I don't know if you can see this little thing in the corner right here that's been sitting here, but Lancome has a new mascara. It's their Lash Idole Flutter Extension Mascara. I love fun PR. Lancome also, I'll make sure to put up the video when I talk about the other Lancome perfume, so you can see the cute little unboxing that I did. Lancome does a very good job with their PR. They sent, I can't even list, this is heavy. They sent a life-size, or not even life-size, like a mega-size mascara box tube. So we're gonna unbox it together. The only thing is I need to also film this for TikTok, which I'm not sure how I'm gonna do because I'm filming for YouTube right now. So we're gonna try and do it. So basically, right here, it says pull me. So that's gonna be like the whole situation there. Let me situate myself and then we'll figure that one out. Okay, so I've been filming on my new Osmo Pocket. Okay, sorry, this is like so bright. I've been filming on my new Osmo Pocket, but we're gonna use my G7X to film the YouTube section. Let me change my selfie thing to not so yellow. Okay, so this is gonna be for YouTube. I'm gonna turn my Osmo Pocket to, you know, like this, vertical, so I can film that as well, because I feel like this is a one-time situation. Oh, I really messed up. It has like a regular box opening at the top too. Oh no. Sometimes the PR unboxings don't go how you want them to. So we're just gonna fake it. It's literally a huge mascara tube. This is literally so cute. It's like I'm taking the mascara out of the tube. This is what it looks like. And then it has different sections for what you're supposed to open. Oh my god, I think this is a tripod. Selfie stick integrated tripod. So it has this little bag. Okay, I think that slipped out from something else. I think this is a lens. I think this is a special lens for my phone. I think it clips on my phone and maybe it's like a magnet or a magnifying lens. But this part was empty, so I wonder if something fell out of that. Me next is what the next section says. Extend the selfie stick to capture and measure all angles. So I'm guessing this is a selfie stick. Super cute and pink. So it looks like you can fit your phone in there. And then I imagine this pops out. Save the best for last. So it has a cute little mirror. Mascara. Super excited to try this. I have been wanting to try a new mascara. Beautiful rose gold. Okay, I'm gonna transfer back to my Osmo Pocket 3 for the rest of the video. This is filmed on my Canon G7X, in case you were wondering. It is linked in my blog post. It is a fantastic camera, but I like it more for pictures than necessarily filming. We're back. That was the last PR that I've gotten recently. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more tips and like the actual links to some of the platforms that I use to get PR, I have it linked below and in the description. I'll take you to my blog post with everything there, so please go check that out. If you guys have any questions about getting started with receiving PR or working with brands, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to answer them, but thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time.